Using a pool in labour can be a really great way to be as comfortable as possible and as relaxed as possible. Getting into a deep pool filled with warm water at body temperature can help you to ease out any tension in your muscles. It will give you a sense of weightlessness, taking away the heaviness of your bump. It will allow you to move and change position easily, and it will probably help you to feel safe and secure that nobody can get at you in the water. You are likely to be the only person getting into that pool, and if anybody else gets in, they only do so at your invitation, and in all likelihood the only person you're going to invite into the water with you is your partner. The midwife will certainly not be climbing in with you. So many women feel very safe in the water, and that helps them to relax, which in turn helps their labour to progress well. You do not have to have your baby in the water if you don't want to. You can just labour in water and then get out when you're ready to push your baby out and birth your baby on dry land. However, if you wish to continue and labour and then birth your baby in the pool, then that's a really lovely thing to do too. Birthing in water helps to reduce the likelihood of you tearing because the water softens all the tissues that need to stretch out, and it generally makes for a very gentle birth for your baby. So when your baby is born in water, it's almost as if your baby doesn't realize they've been born. They've come from one watery environment to another. And because of this, it's quite nice if you get the opportunity not to bring your baby up immediately and quickly onto you when they're born, but to bring them up slowly so that they know that they're being born. If the water is the same temperature as your body, the baby will not breathe underwater. They will only breathe when they come up to the surface. So bringing your baby up to the surface and just allowing their face to poke through the surface so that they can breathe safely just for a moment or two, and then lifting their head out so that they've got a second or two of that acclimatization, and then bringing their whole body up to you can just make that process a little bit gentler for them. After your baby has been born, you have the option of staying in the pool and birthing your placenta there as well, or if you would prefer, you can get out of the pool and birth your placenta on dry land. The choice is yours. Unless there's a medical reason to get out, which the midwives will tell you about, then you can stay where you are for as long as you want to. The warmth of the water is likely to help your placenta to be born because it will keep you warm as well. So whether you're at home or in a hospital or in a birth centre, if you get the opportunity to use a pool, it can be a great asset to your labour and birth.